Double frustration. Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19. Except for amateur ball. Until it's the end. Two recording is good. Oh, let's get it. Let's try it. Ready? Let's eat until it's high score. Let's begin. Okay, guess what? Now my high score. I see. Guess what? Let's see. Do you want to see it? Da, da, da. Let's go to achievements and press achievements. Look. Oh, there's achievements. There are food, clean, heal, flowers, games, and energize. I shall go to games. Even though I need to unlock it. But luckily, guess what? So I tried to unlock the whole entire ones. Nope, I can't scroll down. Whoa. I got all the 5 achievements. Well done. It's a share. Whoa. I would like it. Okay. Well, season 2 Pooh is still here, which is day 2. Season 3 Pooh is coming after the last part of Pooh. Ooh, let's try. Whoa, this car. 3. Oh, 10. Oh, it's 10. I tried it for the first time. For the first one. I tried it. Oh, that was loud. Oh, that was loud. Then try. Okay. Try it. And another thing, I will try putting exploding Foxy's butt. Whoa. Oh. Trying to get this month sing a song. Oh, oh no. Oh shoot. I'm dead. I'm a fuck. I'm the motherfucker. I'm the motherfucker. I'm the motherfucker. Oh god. Ouch. Ow. Ow. Fucker eyes. Ouch. 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 Run fast. Run fast. No. You killed Pooh. Ah. Ah. Game over. Pooh fell. Who's that Christmas wallpaper? Look, I got brand new Christmas wallpaper and it's unlocked. And it's so I got some bonus ones. He's hungry. I have enough money. I gave him some eyeshadows. Look, right over here. See? Can you see? Eyeshadow is red. Can you see? Whoa, sled kind. I made the hamster look evil, and I made a kitty. These are the superheroes, and these are the villains. He's the boss. He's also in charge. All of the whole entire pack. This world. It says kitty, the little kitty. This little precious kitty in the earth. Let's go. There's the arrow. And you can choose an icon. Eyeshadows. Whoa. You can color your own feet. And nose. These different types. And back. Sorry about that. Smarty. Look. You press the remove button. You can use nerdy, classy, sporty, smarty, and then this is lovely and flashy. I get the regular one is locked. I cannot afford it. The grills. I can afford that. I got the grills one, but I didn't, except for the regular one, the normal one. So I made Pooh's background. I made a scary background with pumpkins, a Halloween background. Let's go back. Here's eyeshadows. Let's buy me. Hey, stop. Why can't you? Blue screen of death. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Merchandise. Pooh. I unlocked these bonus ones. I unlocked a pumpkin and a Christmas tree. These are the fabulous items in the world. I got that. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, sorry. I gotta flush. It's flushing. Oh, whoa. You can go to the shop and buy these. And buy something. Whoa. It's hungry. Oh, that's loud. Let's buy it. He's tired. But it's ending. Goodbye. It's the end of season 2 of Pooh. I made part 2 and part 3, the final part. I got this brand new lamp. I'm sorry. Goodbye. Oh, that is it. Season 3 Pooh is coming. Get prepared. Goodbye.